he around. Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles.
Yo, what up, YouTube? We are back. Toxic Lover is my bestseller. So this video pretty much is just about the brand for the last 6 years, how we've been moving, selling, creating, in-house production, manufacturing, etc. These hoodies right here, right? And like particular items are just a balance of things that have been selling over the years. Some new, some old, etc. I was getting ready for an event called like Creative Corner. And that event was okay for me. I did it 3 times. It wasn't really successful financial. It's cool to meet people, but I'm about my bread. This particular event, I was outside at this event last year, and it's something that you gotta be dedicated to. I don't like to be locked into an event where I'm gonna be somewhere all the time. This particular event was like a car show for the community, whatever. And I met mad people, saw mad things. This event right here was a church event. Shorty right here is talking about the snapback or whatever, feel me? And how unique it is. And then she also is talking about I'm Pitch Black World on Instagram, PBW Studio. One thing about me, I'm very hands-on when it comes to the production side of things. I told y'all prior to now, I went through something with a manufacturer, which changed how I ran my business to this day. I used to always do production for other businesses as a printer, but never sold the reason to print to my business prior to 2020. Except a little bit, like I was doing the reverse. 75% things was being manufactured, where today I would say 75% of the stuff I produce, 25%, maybe even 30 at the most, is outsourced. I outsource to China and Pakistan right now. I used to use Turkey and Vietnam. Haven't used them in a while, but who knows what the future holds. But we're in a town where they sell cut and sew blinks. So cut and sew blinks kind of changes the climate for clothing brands. It gives them a lot of elevation, because now being able to just buy a few pieces at a time as a brand and just moving it versus having to do 30 to 50 pieces in production is so much more satisfying. But a hybrid method is my vibe. So like I said, I still produce my own, whether it's screen printing, DTF, screen print transfers, however I'm producing it, right? And then the other part is outsourced to a qualified manufacturing partner that I've been using for multiple years. I don't really get new manufacturers, nor it's like the life saying no new friends, feel me? So for me personally, I produce samples and then see how the public fuck with it. I usually wear it, and that's the best opinion. When I wear something around and then people ask about it. I never been in situations where I wore something and most likely nobody resonated with it. I mean, some designs less than more, but you gotta understand that's just how life is. It's about balance. It's not gonna be everything for everybody. This is a grungy brand. It's based off of like street culture, rock and roll, hip hop, all that type shit. And then all the emotions that come in between just regular human life type shit. The pictures, how we talk, the people, whatever. Black is our demographic, obviously, most clearly. And the world is like, whether in reality or the digital world where we live, like Instagram, X, Facebook, TikTok, Snap. Y'all already know the vibes. So what I do is use self-manufacturing. As you can see on the table, these is all self-manufactured, DTF and screen printing, and then a few pieces that have been manufactured. The outcome is you see people wearing the things that have been self-manufactured. The hat that this dude got on was done with embroidery, if you can see it, and this one was self-manufactured as well. Orders that been shipped, self-manufactured. Screen printed, self-manufactured. Manufactured item right there. Done at an embroidery shop locally. They got self-manufactured items. Manufactured items. The girl got a self-manufactured item on. This is a small load of beanies I did with a manufacturer I'll never use again. My main manufacturer made this. I made these self-manufacturing. That's why I say it's very important, because people fuck with me hard body. Self-manufacturing again. He got something that is manufactured. As you can see, self-manufacturing works for me and manufacturing, because I sell both. But if you could clearly see, I sell more self-manufactured products than I do sell manufactured products. So many people I can never capture with a picture at the events. I'm just like one of them weirdos. I don't want to vlog the whole event. I don't like that. But maybe I should start doing that and then just cutting it down. But you can see this is all really one event or a couple events.
Everything you need, from kids' tees, hoodies, shorts, hats, whatever the fuck you need, my guy got it. My guy got it.
So right here, this is a clip of the beginning of a journey. Started in my bedroom, and boom, that's like around some of the first pop-ups I started. That was this Germantown, Philly. This was like 8 years ago. The Revolution collection vibes. All this stuff was made in Pakistan, by the way. And I still use them Pakistani manufacturers to this day. I always had custom mailers. That's always been my vibe. I've always been shipping orders. So, you know, grace of God always been very good to me. I never really had to do too much. So the hybrid method has always kind of worked for me. Using self-manufacturing and manufacturing, and I stick to it. I'm not gonna change it. Local Philly celebrity doing a video with friends. This girl is like the muse for my brand, because she helped me introduce products, mainly that was just more unisex, into strictly female products, because she kept cutting her t-shirts and making them cute for girls, and then it just started a wave, and we do crops now and stuff like that. When the web was hyped down, people were still rocking, supporting the campaign, and I really appreciated that. This is a Mexican in Mexico. Shout out to him. School kid, a shorty. One of her photo shoots behind the scenes. Production photo shoot. This dude right here just really showed mad love. You would think that this was a photo shoot for the brand. Nah, this is just him doing his fucking movie, his big one, pretty much. What I learned over the years is that everybody got a different vibe, so just basically let people do what they do. You know what I mean? They're gonna wear your clothes how they wanna wear it, and they're gonna show out. They're gonna pop out and show love and buy. You can see clearly people fuck with us hard body.